Xamarin is a Microsoft-owned software company developed in 2011. In this video, we are going to have introduction to Xamarin. I am Umair Hassan, MVP at C# Corner. So if we are discussing about Xamarin, then we must know about mobile applications and mobile application platforms. We all know that there are three different mobile application development platforms, which are iOS, Android, and Windows. As you see, mobile application users are increasing day by day, and if you want to target all of these users, then you have to develop application on all of the major platforms. But there is a problem in this. These platforms have separate code bases written in their native language and are built using native tools. For example, if you are going to target iOS, Android, or Windows, then you have to learn different tools, different languages, and different frameworks for them. So what is the advantage and disadvantage of this type of development? The main advantage is that you have native look and feel of your applications. You have access of native pages, native layouts, and native settings of each of the platforms. And the disadvantage is that you can't share code between each of the platform. You have to know multiple IDs, and you have multiple teams for developing these applications. This will take a longer time in development. Background: Xamarin is a software company founded on May 16, 2011, and Microsoft signed an agreement to acquire Xamarin on February 24, 2016. So the name of a Xamarin comes from a tamarind monkey, replacing the leading T with an X. Let's define Xamarin. Xamarin is an application development platform which lets you build application for many platforms with a single shared code base. Xamarin has different approaches, which I discuss later in this video. So which tool you are going to use in Xamarin? You have to use Visual Studio for Mac or Visual Studio for Windows, and you also have Xamarin Studio for Xamarin development. Xamarin gives us two main approaches, which are separate UI and shared UI. Xamarin depends upon three main things, which are Xamarin.iOS, Xamarin.android, and Xamarin.forms. If you are working with Xamarin.iOS and Xamarin.android, then you are using a separate UI approach. In this approach, you can develop iOS and Android apps separately with a shared business logic. This means all of your business classes are in C# and you can easily reuse your logic from one application to another application, but you have to design their UI separately. And a shared UI approach: if you are working with Xamarin.forms, then you are using a shared UI approach. In this approach, approximately all of your code is shared. Your business logic and US UI is shared across all of the three platforms. So what is the performance of Xamarin? Xamarin apps are fully native. You can enjoy native performance with the shared code. So how does Xamarin give us a native performance without using native development languages and tools? Xamarin gives 100% Android and iOS native API coverage with the benefit of .NET APIs. Due to this, Xamarin provides us the native performance with a native look and feel of your mobile application. So let's discuss about advantages of Xamarin Forms. Xamarin Forms give us native apps. It has a shared business logic and a shared UI. One Xamarin development team required to develop apps for multiple platforms, and it will take a less time. Less time in a sense that if you are going to develop application for Android, iOS, and Windows separately, then you have separate developers for this, and this will take a long time to develop this application. Instead, in Xamarin Forms, you can develop an application using a shared code, and this will take a less development time. Future of Xamarin depends upon Microsoft support. It is a Microsoft product. Microsoft is supporting this product. Xamarin is a free product. It has lower cost, native apps, resources are free and effective. Company will now Companies will not hire new mobile developers for iOS and Androids and will depend upon their .NET and C# developers. So there, why you should learn Xamarin. I give a link of two of my articles, which one of them is why you should learn Xamarin and other one is introduction to Xamarin for beginners. I am giving a link of these articles in description. Hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you.